Thought is one of the most powerful energies available to you, and it is absolutely your key to creating anything and everything you want in your life. Your thought process is that which creates your internal and your external experiences. When you know how to use it properly and efficiently, you learn how to benefit from what you create rather than being used by it. Behind your active and relentless mind is your true, authentic self. It is the peaceful and calm presence that you access when you sit in meditation or prayer for long enough. It's the feeling of total peace and calm you experience after a hard laugh or an intense cry. When you pay attention to and become aware that you are thinking, you come to realize you are not your thoughts. Rather, it is you who is doing the thinking. This peaceful, calm presence is always available to you. When you pay attention, you start to create more and more separation from your thoughts. You get more and more access to your ability to observe them. You begin to realize that the thoughts you think are actually creating the emotional experiences you're having. In this book, you will learn that you are not your thoughts. You are only feeling them. Nothing more, nothing less. And when you start to see that what you're feeling is a result of what you're thinking and not what is happening around you, that is when life begins to get very interesting.